It is so fantastic to see you.
Same
Lolo,
here.
what generation Haitian are you?
I'm a 10th generation Haitian.
And your full name?
Lolo Silvera.
You see, I could hear that all day.
Yes.
Lolo, when we come to Haiti, all you do is help us, and just the celebration and the music and the food and all your people and communities. I see progression in Haiti. Do you?
Absolutely. We're definitely moving forward in that respect. There's a lot of more communication. You know, there's a lot of things happening for the community that didn't exist before.
So we are thrilled that you are on the board of We Advance. And
So much.
why do you think We Advance, this news portal, is going to be important with the crisis information?
Well, it's going to be huge, because one of the biggest problems that we have in Haiti is that we have no idea how to send. You know, people don't know what is accessible to them. Number one, so We Advance University serves as a hub of information as to what free services can occur for the people, for the women and children. And secondly, in We Advance University, you're finally able to learn certain skills, educate them, put videos in there to teach them from the simplest thing of healthcare, cleaning a womb, so that they can heal faster, to certain classes that we'll offer also on the website. You can go on there and look at videos of examples of things that we already do.
So we know with our focus test groups that this has been working really well in the news format that we've been doing with Barbara, who you know.
And Barbara Guillaume is incredible. She's incredible in the community. She's an activist and she's a doer. She's an amazing artist.
So with all of this happening, you know that Haiti is our first template, and the resourcefulness that you have as a culture, I think, don't you feel this is going to be beneficial to all countries?
Absolutely. It could be We Advance universities, Haiti / other countries that we can help would be the first ones, and for the first time, people would say, you know, instead of let's help Haiti, Haiti would be the one providing help through We Advance You, because we started all of this, which can be beneficial to all sorts of communities in need.
So what do you want to ask your local Haitian-born fantastic people?
This is why I'm here. Biggest reason why I'm sitting in this chair today is because I need your help. I need us, all of us, to come together. This is our chance. And it's not really that hard. Share the information that, you know, about our website. Share the news about We Advance You, so more and more people. We need everybody to know that this exists. We need to reach our goal. So I need the community to come together with me and donate. There are no minimum donations here. We have a goal we need to reach so that we can launch this, so we can get to work. So let's help us do this in our community. I live in Haiti. We can do lunches, we can do all sorts of different things to inform more people. Tweet, Facebook, Instagram, let's do whatever. Let's use, you know, the ways of, you know, internet ways of
collaboration.
Exactly. And let's do this. I need my sisters, my brothers. This is our chance. Let's do it together.
So because a lot of Haitians, I mean, every Haitian I know has a cell phone. It's like Africa, you know, it's fantastic. But not everybody has broadband access for video downloads. Yet, because you're such a collaborative, celebratory culture, do you feel people will have gatherings with the ones who have Wi-Fi? Will they be posting this? Will they show this to people? Like Tupperware parties.
Yes, I totally feel that, but we need to be, you know, in the community, which is the reason why I'm asking for help, because it's a simple thing, we can make it fun. This is a great thing. It's a positive energy in every sense. So I do feel that people will join me, and I know that they will, in doing, like you say, a type of Tupperware party where you invite a group of girls, have a little lunch around it, information sharing, like a book club sort of thing. And yes, but I need you guys' help to do this with me. We do one at my house, one at your house, and every time it grows and it grows and it grows, and we're spreading the word, spreading the message, getting donations.
And Lolo, the Haitian communities asked us to have different categories, which we thought was a brilliant idea. And we've already got some businesses sponsoring these categories so they can have their own advertising on it. do you feel Haitian corporations are in a position to also be part of those sponsorships, so it's not just overseas?
Absolutely, absolutely. Haitian corporations can be a part of this, and there are products that they want to promote. Maybe, there's a way that we can always work something out so that as many people in the community that can get involved will. Basically, that's the goal, because we're spreading the message, positive message, all around.
That's fantastic. Well, we can't thank you enough for everything you've done. We love Haiti, and Maria Bello, myself, Claire Mann, Suzanne Lerner, all of our founders. And WeAdvance.org, we are learning from Haiti. We can't wait for this to be a innovative news portal for everybody, as you say.
Thank you, and I thank you guys for existing. You brought me the moment I met Maria, and afterwards I've been embarked on this amazing journey full of so much positiveness and energy and fierceness. I can't thank you.
Rum.
Oh, let's never forget Barbancourt is right there along with us, always. Really. So thank you.
Thank
all of
you.
you.